Similarly, as HCF, there is a 3 case in LCM also, with LCM with remainder. First case is when remainder are same for all the divisor. So let me come on the question of this problem. What is the least possible number to when we divide by 24, 32 and 42? In each case leave remainder as 5. To find out that how we check, that is LCM, that is least possible number. In placement exam, it will ask least possible number, that should be always only and only LCM and divided by. There are two words by that we simply can identify that it's asking about the LCM. So come on the top 24, 32 and 42. In each case leave the remainder 5. So how to deal with these kind of problems is LCM of 24, 32 and 42 plus 5. Why I added 5? Because if I take the LCM of these three number and I added 5 in these number, in LCM of this number, then that number will be the divided by 24, 32 and 42. Leave the remainder 5 in each case. So LCM of 24, 32 and 42 is 672 plus 5, that is 677. So 677 is the least possible number. When we divide by 24, 32 and 42, leave the remainder always 5. Okay, let me come on the next kind of case, that is when remainder different and difference between the divisor and their respective remainder always constant. See the difference between these two, when remainder are same for all divisor, and this problem when remainder different and difference between divisor and their respective remainder will be constant. So to deal with these kind of problems, when 18 minus 2, 35 minus 19 equal to 42 minus 26, it is 16. So difference between their remainder and their respective divisor is 16. 18 minus 2, 16, 35 minus 19, 16 and 42 minus 26 is 16. So if I take the LCM of 18, 35 and 42 and minus 16, if I subtract 16 in LCM of 18, 35 and 42, it will give the least possible number, which when we divide by 18, 35 and 42 will leave the remainder 2, 19 and 26. So LCM of this number is 630 minus 16, that is 614. Okay, let me come on the next third case of this problem. When neither divisor are same, no difference between their respective divisor and remainder are remain constant. So suppose the example is, what is the least possible number? Least possible number which when divided by 13 leave remainder 3 and divide by 5 leave remainder 2. This is the third case. So expression will be this, n equal, suppose n is the number, so 13 is to x plus 3 will be n, as you know, and n equal to 5 is to y plus